Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install FlutterFlow to build your first app, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the official FlutterFlow website at flutterflow.io. On the homepage, locate the Get Started button and click on it. This will redirect you to the registration page. Fill in your information to create an account. After completing the registration, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link in your email to verify your account. Now return to the FlutterFlow website and log in with your newly created account. Once logged in, you will be welcomed by the FlutterFlow dashboard. Look for the New Project button and click on it to start building your app. In the pop-up menu, select a template for your project or choose to start from scratch. If you choose a template, review the options and select one that suits your needs. Next, give your project a name that reflects its purpose. After naming your project, click the Create Project button. You will then be taken to the App Builder interface. Here, you can customize your app's design by dragging and dropping various widgets. Explore the widget catalog on the left side of the builder. Simply click on a widget and drag it onto your canvas. Use the property panel on the right to adjust the settings for each widget. To add functionality, navigate to the Actions tab in the Property panel. Select the widget that you want to add actions to. Choose from the available actions, such as navigation or data integration. Begin setting up your app's pages by selecting the Pages section on the left side. You can add new pages by clicking the Add Page button. Design each page similarly by dragging and dropping widgets. To preview your app, click the Run button at the top right corner. This will open a live preview of your app in a new window. Make any necessary adjustments based on the preview. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.